Hello friends, so today we will learn how to install FoxyProxy extension and how to set the proxy using FoxyProxy. So FoxyProxy is nothing but it is a Firefox browser extension. So if you are using any security testing tools, for example, so you want all the traffic that is going through your browser. Suppose you open youtube.com on your Firefox browser. You want to extract all the messages received from the YouTube server and send to the YouTube server on on your tool. Basically, you want to know all the messages sent and received between the web application and the browser. So for that, you need to set the proxy. So your tool, for example, any security tool like ZAP or Burp Suite, will be listening to a specific IP and port, and then you have to set your browser also to listen to the same IP and port, so that all the information that is being sent and received on that IP and port can be captured in your tool. So you can set it using your browser as well. You can go to your Firefox and click on settings, and then you can click on network settings, and here you can set the proxy. Currently I'm using system proxy settings. You can set the manual proxy configuration as well. But to automate this process so that it becomes easier to switch off and on the proxy, we can install one extension. So for that, let's go to basically to install the extension. Let's go to addons.mozilla.org. Okay. Now here we will search for FoxyProxy. So we will click on this FoxyProxy standard and we will click on add to Firefox. Let's click on add, manage your add-ons and through to the app. Okay. Just click on okay. You can also allow this extension to run in private windows. I want to allow that. So I will tick it and I will click on okay. Now you close the Firefox and let's open it again. So if I see in the extension, this icon, I can see the FoxyProxy. Okay. So currently you can see the red icon that this is disabled right now. So if I go to my tool, suppose I'm using ZAP, okay? So I have set the proxy. My proxy address here is localhost and the port is 8080. So this is where I want my Firefox browser to listen to, like the same address and the port. So I will click on this FoxyProxy extension and it says quick add. So I will click on that, or I can simply click on options. So it shows you a lot of options. We will keep this as default and we'll click on the proxies. And here I will click on add. So here I will give the title. Let me give it as ZAP. And I will skip the country and city and I will give the host name. So host name, as you saw earlier, it is localhost, or I can specify 127.0.0.1. Port was 8080. Okay, username and password can be skipped. Now I will click on save. Okay, so now I will open another tab and let's click on the extension. So you can see the ZAP is here now, the ZAP extension. So now if I go to any website, For example, let me go to facebook.com. And if I go to Zap, nothing is being recorded here because the proxy is not set. But now if I switch on my extension and I say Zap, okay. Now if you see that it is not showing the disabled icon, it is showing Zap icon. So that means my proxy is enabled successfully. Now if I refresh the page, and if I go to my Zap tool, you can see in the history tab that it is recording the websites visited and the messages. So this is how you can set your proxy using FoxyProxy. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.